So if you love gaming on the Xbox or the PC, then you're going to love this new Microsoft Xbox controller that they're releasing for their 20th birthday. And I'll just scroll down and you can take a look at it. It looks very cool with the translucent. You can see all the components on the inside with the green Xbox on the logo there in the middle button, and on the handles. It looks very cool in my opinion. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. But for their 20th birthday, you can now pre-order this controller. So if you just want to get a new controller or you're a collector of controllers, there hasn't been anything like this on the market just yet, but now you can get your hands on this. I think it looks awesome, and I'll link this article down below so you can read it if you want. But if you want to pre-order it, you can just click the link in the article. It says this controller costs $69.99 to pre-order. Go through the Microsoft Store. So if you click on that link, it will open up in a new page and take you to this page where you can pre-order it for $69.99. And just to go back at it again and take a look at it, and I think it looks awesome. And this is compatible 100% through Bluetooth to play games on your PC as well as the Xbox. So that was just a quick update. If you enjoyed this controller, drop a like on this video. Let me know what you think about it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.